Wash brushes come in all shapes and sizes, and they have different applications. So let's talk about it. I have here a pretty standard wash brush. It's a very soft bristle nylon brush with a plastic resin base. It's got a standard screw-in port here for a handle, one here and then one on this side. And it is a fantastic brush for cleaning an awning, or if you're doing fleet washing the panels of a box or something like that. It's a great brush, and they sell these in anywhere from 10-inch all the way up to 24-inch sizes. So one area where this brush can be a little bit lacking is when you get way up on a box. Imagine here I have a box truck, or I could even use the wall. When I get up on a box, you can see I'd have to keep the brush like this. So for those applications where you're cleaning in high up places, I always recommend a bi-level brush. You can see that this brush has a nice curve to it, so that as you're washing, coming down the panel of a truck and eventually moving up, you're constantly keeping the same amount of surface area in contact with the surface that you're cleaning. So you can end up getting a lot higher than you could with a standard wash brush. And it still has the same nice nylon brush bristles that are just kind of fun to play with and real soft, mounted in plastic. Now this brush, because it is a bi-level brush, it only has the one port. They don't swap sides because of this unique angled design. So that's one con of this brush. Now, another type of brush that you'll commonly see with fleet washing especially is an acid-resistant brush. This brush has much stiffer bristles. This brush is not designed to clean any kind of a nice painted finish. Okay, this brush is specifically designed for applying acid to like fuel tanks and aluminum surfaces to brighten them. So this brush, acid resistant, stiff bristles, perfect for acidizing, not for cleaning painted surfaces. For that, you want to use a nice soft brush. And then finally here, I have this brush, which kind of looks like a reverse Legionnaire kind of situation happening, but it's designed for cleaning diesel stacks. It wraps around a stack just perfectly and allows you to clean all around and all the kind of sides and crevices. And it has two mounting points for a handle, one here, and then one angled port here. So whichever is more comfortable, you can put a handle in, clean a stack quickly and efficiently, and then move on. Now obviously the downside to this brush is that you can't do much else besides clean a diesel stack with it. But if you find yourself cleaning quite a few diesel stacks, this brush is an absolute must-have.
Why choose Powerwash.com? Well, did you know we were founded over 50 years ago by the Hinderleiter family, and we're still owned and operated by the pioneers in this space. Our vision since day one has been to empower an industry to help DIY, contract, and professional cleaners succeed. Well, how do we do that? That's through wonderful equipment, amazing supplies, world-class service, and wonderful, amazing training from our Power Wash Academy. All those things combined together to make us unique in the industry and to help you succeed. So how do you get those resources? It's simple. Reach out to us at info@powerwash.com or call us 1-800-433-2113. Our service account representatives have been doing this for a very long time, and they're here to help you answer your questions, get you what you need, stay within your budget, But most importantly, we're here to help you succeed.
Again, brushes come in different shapes and sizes, and they have different purposes. The 4 brushes that I have in front of me today are most commonly used in fleet washing. If you have any questions about brushes, give us a call. We're happy to help answer any questions you have.